Today I'm feeling a little ethnic. Let's have some spicy Spam garlic fried rice. So for this recipe, we're going to need rice that I cooked last night. So last night rice. And then garlic. Gonna need soy sauce, sesame oil, a little bit of sugar, 4 green onions, and we also have some sesame seeds. Also, we're gonna use the star of all stars, the spicy Spam. And the enjoyable sound that we all love. Yes. In our previous videos, you might remember how awesome this wonderful contraption is. We're gonna use it again. We're gonna pour in some sesame seeds, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. Put a little sugar in there, looks good. And now we just mix it up. We need to go ahead and put some pure vegetable oil. We don't want the impure vegetable oil, it's bad for you. So put that in your pan, heat it up so we can cook our Spam. Let's go ahead and pour this out and let it strain a little bit. Next, we're gonna go ahead and put in the white, sort of light green colored onions, and we're gonna put our eggs in. Go ahead and add the rice and mix that around. Get it all fried up. That's why they call it fried rice. We need to add our friend in there. Run, run, Spam, run. It sounds like the rice is happy. Go ahead and dish it up in our bowl so we can eat it. Well, let's try it. So ethnic. So this recipe really surprised me. I kind of wondered how this one was gonna taste, but hey, it tastes great and it looks great. Enjoy.